All right, here we see our Revit interface like we saw in the previous video. We go to Home here, then we go to File, and then we go to Open Sample Files. So I do it again, File, Open Sample Files here down, and then it opens where the sample files are located. I'm gonna use my node families. I'm gonna say Snowden Towers Sample Architecture, for example. I open it. There you go. What we see here now is the interface. This is the start screen. On the left side, you see your properties and your project browser. If they are not there, for example, if you see this, there is nothing, you go to View, here in your tabs, View, and then you go to User Interface, and here you can say Project Browser and also Properties. This too, you can place it where you want. I want to place it here and here, for example, but in most cases you can place them on the left side. You see it, and then this one goes above it. And you can play with it to have a good insight. So here you have your tabs. So each tab can architectural system, insert, annotate, analyze, and with their different functionalities. You have your environment where you draw, you have your properties of the active view, and you have your project browser where all your different views are in it. But that's for the next lesson.